You're not tired. You're drained, mentally, emotionally, spiritually, and it's your fault. You keep blaming your 9 to 5, your sleep schedule, or your coffee addiction. But let's be real. You wake up more exhausted than you went to bed, because you're living a life that kills your energy instead of building it. You scroll until 2 a.m. You say yes to everyone but yourself. You waste hours doing shit you don't care about and then wonder why you're burnt out. This isn't about needing more sleep. It's about needing more alignment. Your body isn't broken. Your choices are. You're exhausted because you do things that drain you just to look productive. You tolerate fake friendships that silently suffocate you. And worst of all, you betray your gut daily just to fit in. Your exhaustion isn't physical. It's soul deep, and no amount of naps or green juice is gonna fix that. So what to do? 1. Start saying no. Protect your energy like it's your last breath. Every time you say yes to things you hate, you steal from your future self. 2. Cut screen time by 50%. You're not relaxing when you scroll. You're numbing. You're feeding your brain junk, then wondering why it feels foggy and fried. 3. Do one thing daily that feels like truth. Walk, breathe, meditate, build something, not for likes, not for validation, for himself. You're not exhausted because you're doing too much. You're exhausted because almost everything you do is meaningless. Focus on small changes. It's not about a life overhaul overnight. It's about making one disciplined choice today. That gives you even a sliver more energy tomorrow. Stop lying to yourself. Your exhaustion isn't an accident. It's the result of every poor decision. It's time to get ruthless with your habits. Don't just sit there and complain. Make the shift. Choose energy. Own your life. Now go out there and stop being tired. Remember, your life is in your hands. Either you take back control, or you keep running on empty. The choice is yours.